Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video lecture we'll talk about the pox group and the adenovirus group. So pox viridae, we have already discussed this is the largest virus that has got a size of 300 nanometer. The shape of this looks like a box and it has got a dumbbell shaped nucleus. Dumbbells are heavy, you can remember these are the largest virus. Now, all the DNA viruses have got icosahedral symmetry except the pox virus that has got a complex symmetry. So remember, pox complex or complex symmetry. Also, replication of other DNA viruses occurs in the nucleus, but for pox virus, the replication occurs in the cytoplasm. So there are few exceptions associated with the pox virus. First, it is the largest virus. Second thing, other DNA viruses has got icosahedral symmetry, while on the other hand, pox virus has got a complex symmetry. And the third one is replication for other DNA viruses occurs in the nucleus, while on the other hand, replication for pox virus occur in the cytoplasm. So various pox virus, we have vaccinia, which is also known as cowpox, variola, which is also known as smallpox. And remember this thing that smallpox is eradicated. Then we have molluscum contagiosum or monkeypox. So let's talk about variola or smallpox first. See what happens in smallpox. This is a child with smallpox lesions. In the smallpox, the distribution of these rashes starts from the centrifugal. Then it goes towards the trunk. So start from periphery, goes towards the trunk. And this is exactly opposite from the chickenpox. If you remember, chickenpox start from centripetal. So start from the trunk area, goes toward extremities, CP centripetal, and starts from CP chickenpox that we have studied in the chickenpox. So start with the centripetal distribution, then goes towards the periphery, that is centrifugal. This is exactly opposite of smallpox. Smallpox have got very clinical, such clinical features that you can easily notice that this is a smallpox lesion. First of all, there is the distribution is centrifugal first, then the distribution is centripetal. That means it starts from the extremities, then goes towards the center. And second thing is that the fever subsides with rash and crops are not present. So these are very typical clinical features that the patient, that you can pick up in the patient that this is a patient of smallpox. The patient was picked up easier and patient was not missed out. This is one of the main reason that nowadays smallpox is eradicated. Other reason, there is no animal reservoir, there is no carrier, and the vaccine was discovered too early, and therefore the WHO guidelines were so strict that the smallpox is eradicated. So the differentiating features between smallpox and chickenpox: CP chickenpox, CP centripetal distribution. So starts at the centripetal, then goes as the centrifugal. And there is fever with each crop seen in the chickenpox. So there are rashes that comes in the crops for chickenpox. For smallpox, the fever actually subsides with the rashes. So then difference between the cowpox and the smallpox. So both of these, cowpox, which is also known as vaccinia, smallpox, which is also known as variola, both comes under the pox group, both come under the pox family. So cowpox, you see in the cowpox, vaccinia word is there. Vaccinia is double C. One C is cowpox, one C you make it G, which is gonorrhea bodies. For smallpox, there are small lesions that you can remember. So on the embryonated egg, on the chorioallantoic membrane, it shows the small lesions, small non-hemorrhagic lesion, which are known as pox, not pox, pox. Also, in the smallpox, you will find these question bodies. So smallpox is known as variola. Vaccinia has got double C, it is the cowpox, and it has got gonorrhea bodies. On the embryonated egg on chorioallantoic membrane, we have studied this in the journal properties, that on the chorioallantoic membrane, you can use for herpes simplex virus 1 and 2, and vaccinia and variola. Vaccinia and variola are nothing but cowpox and smallpox. So vaccinia shows large hemorrhagic. See, smallpox has got word small in it. So on the chorioallantoic membrane, you can find these small lesions, non-hemorrhagic. While on the other hand, large are hemorrhagic and necrotic lesions.